Hey there everyone, it's me Jyoti, your friend and host of this channel. Today I'm going to cover these three hot topics. Before I start, I'm going to use languages Hindi and English, both kind of mixed language, so that each and every friend who is watching this video can understand this. So let's get jump into the video. So this is the type of content I have made. Python. We are starting from the Python language, Python installation, set path, and then finally we are jump into the first program. So for this, I'm using the browser Google Chrome. Type here python.org. This is the official website of Python. Here we go. As I'm using Windows 10, so here's the download option. The latest version of Python is Python 3.7.4. So it is available for Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS and other. So as I'm using Windows, so just click this option Windows. Here as I'm using 64-bit, so this is I have to install download Windows x86 64 web-based installer. I click here and this is downloaded. So let's go to the folder part. So here is this. This is in my downloads. Okay, let's install it. Okay. Okay guys, so let's install it. Never forget to uncheck this button, add Python, and then start installing. Yes. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes to install it. Okay, yeah, we're done. Close this. Okay guys, as you have successfully installed Python, so let's open it. Just be patient for 3 to 5 seconds and then open it. Okay, so in the search box, type Python. There you see two things. First is Python app and the second is IDLE. Mainly all the work performed in Python is done on IDLE. So let's just open this. Okay, this is Python shell. All the outputs are appear here. So this is not for source code. For source code is what you are writing the programs. That code is called source code. So for the source code, for writing the source code, sorry, you have to go on file, new file, and here we go. In this you can write source code. So I'm so here I'm writing my first program. Print bracket start single inverted comma hello world, inverted commas closed, bracket closed. That's all. Now you have to save this program by pressing on your keyboard Control S, or you can do file save. I'm making a folder on desktop. This is for Python demo. Okay, so my first program is demo 1, and don't forget to save this file by extension .py. Yes, I recall it again .py. This is the extension of Python files. All the Python files are saved by this extension .py. Then I'm clicking save. Okay, so the last step is to run my program. Go on run option, run module, or you can press F5 with the function key on your keyboard. See, here we go. Hello world. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm starting from scratch, especially for the students who are beginners and who are new to this. Stay in touch for more videos. In my next video, I shall come up with these topics. I want to mention here in the next video, I will be making an app using Python. So these are the few topics I listed here. It is what is pip, how to use pip on Windows, how to use pip to install Python, how to use pip to make some apps, how to make GUI apps packages on Windows. So don't forget to hit the like button and share my channel. I'll be very happy if you like my things, and it keeps me feel motivated, and I'll be get with more videos on with you. So one thing more I want to mention here, if you have topics to discuss with me, or if you have faced any problem related to installation or Python, please comment below. I'll be very happy to discuss with you. Thank you and have a nice day. See you in my next video.